Good morning everyone, it's me, the Sassy Mom again for another video. Thank you guys for always watching them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that subscribe link and also tapping that bell so you get the notification if you want to see some more of my travel videos. We're still here in our 7-day Alaskan cruise, and today's our third day and we are going to the Glacier Bay. Okay, this is the hallway. This is how the hallway looks like, guys. Today's technically not our day at the sea, but we're gonna be cruising along the Glacier Bay, so we'll be spending most of our time in this ship. And so Lido is located at deck 9, and this is our favorite deck here in the cruise ship. So we are at deck 3, where you can find a photo gallery, ocean bar, shops, and the stage, main stage. Let's go. It's right here. So galleries. Oh, they don't have the photo on display.
They were here yesterday.
Yeah. So usually you'll have your photos on display here, the photos that were taken by the official photographer of the cruise line. And you can obviously purchase them. And these are the prices. $99 for 5 prints and a digital copy, and 10 prints for $189. Okay. This is the ocean bar. Ocean bar here, and the bar is right there. So the guest receptions or guest information desk is right on the first floor over there. So if you're having problems with your keys and stuff, any questions you may have, you can go there. And that's one of the restaurants here, the Pinnacle Grill, but that's not free. You have to pay extra for that. There's actually a couple. There's probably 4 of them that you'll have to pay an extra or additional. And this is the shop They do sell luxury items here like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Hermes, and stuff. But they're closed right now. Here we go. Maybe this is where they do the math. So we're now at the lower promenade, deck 2, where you can find the casino, the Pinnacle Grill, and the BB King's Blues Club. Here you go. This is the casino. And this is again deck 2. They do have the billboard bar over here, and they have some artists playing the piano at night. That's kind of cool. I like that. And that's just right next to the casino. So we're now going to the gallery bar. We have displays of different artworks over here. Makain yan, oh.
Sarap ng pizza.
It's snowing, so you can't really see so much, but we are here at the Glacier Bay. And as you can see, that's the glacier right there. I did see a block of ice fell off earlier that created that mini wave. The view is spectacular. Oh my god, it's such a dream come true, you guys. Dream come true. God. Beautiful, 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 guys. Beautiful.